We have a couple of videos for French toast because we did one in the 11.5-inch skillet, and then we're doing this one on the griddle, which is probably a little bit more popular pan for this purpose. And so this just shows again the water test that you'll want to do to make sure your pan is preheated to the right temperature, because if the pan is preheated and it's hot enough when you start, it's going to be so simple. The only time it sticks and is really frustrating is if the pan is not hot enough. Sort of like when you're working on a grill, you want to preheat. At this point in the video, we've done the water test, we made sure it was hot enough, we've added the butter. The butter's not smoking, but it is sizzling, which is great, so we know that it's not too hot. And now we're getting ready to put the French toast in the pan. So it's been soaked in its butter mixture. I'm sorry, it's egg mixture. And now it's in the pan. And then we sped this part of the video up so you didn't have to watch the whole thing at regular speed, but it took about 6 minutes for both sides. And you'll see by the end we have the perfect coloring of French toast. The recipe that we used in this video is well liked and well rated, and so we'll post that also in the YouTube comments if you want access to that recipe. And of course, if you have any questions or comments of your own, we would love to hear it, so feel free to leave that either on the yourknifeguy.com page you're watching this video on, or on the YouTube page you are watching this video on. We are so glad to be able to bring you this video, and we look forward to speaking with you soon. And again, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out.